Hey guys, welcome back. For this video, I'm going to show you how to install latest iOS version. So first, what you want to do is just simply open up your settings. Once you're there, just scroll down to General right here. Then tap on Software Update. Then tap on Automatic Updates right here. And make sure that these are turned on, like Security Responses and System Files is turned on. And iOS Updates is turned on right here at the bottom also. And just go back right here, and as you can see, I'm up to date, so I'm on iOS 17.5.1. but if yours is not iOS 17.5.1, you could check it on About right here. Just go back to your settings, go to General, go to About, and here you could check on what iOS version you are on currently. And if you're not, just go to General and just make sure that you go to Software Update and check for the update, and if it's there, just download it, install it. And that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.